Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can download the Canva app in Android. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Play Store, and after going to the Play Store, simply we have to search for the Canva app. So I'm going to write the Canva here. So let's write the Canva, and after that we have to press on the search icon, and after that, as you can see, the Canva is here. Now we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, the app is open. Now if you want to check out the app details, you can also do that. Like all the things are provided here, like the rating is 4.5 and the reviews are 15 million, and the size of the app is 3.9 MB, and the rated pillars and the downloads are 100 million pillars. All the things are provided here. If you want to watch the video, and the screenshots are also provided. If you want to review the details, you can also do that. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on the install button, and after clicking on the install button, it will take few seconds or few minutes in downloading and installing. It's up to your device configuration, and it's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster result. So as you can see, it's almost going to be downloaded, and after the completion of downloading, it will take few seconds in installing, and after that you can click on the open button and the Canva will be open. So in this way you can download the Canva app on Play Store. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.